So I'm going to be talking through this device, which is going to be underneath Adam's bed at all times, plugged in because apparently the battery life on them is poor. So there'll be 2 times when we'll need to use this. The first one will be if the cardiology team ring up and ask you to send the readings over. The other time will be to convert the information from Adam's fob onto that machine off to the hospital if he's had a fainting episode. So I'm going to walk you through how to use it. The first thing is to press this button here, and then the screen should light up. It actually has a diagram that shows you exactly what you need to do. So the next step, it's pointing an arrow to this button. So we just press that button. It's now telling us to pick up the device, and this goes onto the implant. Well done. Good work. Again, Adam will have a little scar here, which will be exactly where you need to place this device. You can see that there's a little sensor there, and that goes straight on here. Now, it might take a few seconds to communicate with the device. You can see on the screen that it's currently searching for it. What will then happen is that screen will show a little bar, which means that it's now communicating with the implant. You'll see the green start to move gradually across, and you'll notice on the device there's a green light too. You keep this device on the implant until the bar on the monitor is completely full. It should make a noise if you can't immediately see the device in front of you, just to let you know that you can move on to the next step. As you can see, it's almost full, and it's made a beeping noise, and the screen is now telling us to replace the device. What it's now doing is sending that information across to the cardiology team. This doesn't tend to take as long as the other part did, but bear in mind that because it's using internet, etc., if you're in a space where the signal's not great, it might take a little bit longer than it would do if it was somewhere else. You can see that there's another bar across the screen, and that will start to turn green and fill much like it did in the last stage. So now you can see that the bar is almost full, and it will then tell us when that information has successfully been sent to the cardiology team. You've heard the beep, and you'll see a tick come up on the screen. That means the whole process is now complete.